The amazing product's extreme power efficiency device. Save money. It's easy to install and corrects and stabilizes your electric current. Reduces overheating and power surge, giving longer appliance life. Be smart, be efficient. Use the extreme power efficiency device and start saving.
Epektibo. Yan ang natuklasan ng Department of Energy nang itesting ang mga energy-saving device. Lumalabas na totoong nakatitipid ng konsumo sa kuryente ang paggamit ng mga gadget na ito. Nagpapatrol, Alvin El Chico.
Tinesting ng mga eksperto sa Department of Energy ang mga popular na energy-saving device. Ang resulta,
kung mas malaking numero, ibig sabihin mas efficient. Pag mas efficient, mababa yung operating cost. So, mas magiging matipid.
Lahat itong mga to.
noong isang buwan, inalerto rin ng Meralco ang mga consumer dahil batay sa kanilang testing, bumili ng energy-saving device kung saan tugma o mahigit pa ang savings kumpara sa kiniklaim ng manufacturer. At lahat ng mga ito kayang pababain ang konsumo sa kuryente.
Get somebody, then papatest natin.
Alvin El Chico, ABS-CBN News.
Hey guys, fighting with high electricity bills? Say no more. I want to introduce to you the electricity power saver. Even with all these appliances we have in the house running, our electricity bill is still low. Just put it in the socket and let it do its job. Our electricity bill went from 2.8 down to 1.7. What are you waiting for? Start saving. Just click the yellow basket.